So this examination purpose is mainly that you are coming or you are attending the classes regularly or not, that we need to see you are understanding the concepts or not, that we are need to see. This is kind of a continuous evaluation system. In the outside country, you will never see that they are having too big exam, too small exam, nothing. They are all already, suppose one chapter is done, on the next few days they are giving you worksheets, solving few worksheets on that chapter. Okay, so that the teachers can evaluate easily, so that all the students understood all the concepts very nicely or not. So we are going to implement that method and we will see that how it is going on, right? So that is why this decision has been taken. In continuous evaluation systems, this procedure only I told to sir. Okay, so blame me whatever you want to, but
Ma'am, I can't hear your words.
bah, সবার,
Hello?
yes, now you can listen to me. I can hear your voice very clearly.
Yeah,
And
we heard you very properly. It's
yes,
Sanjay's network problem.
I think
Yes, ma'am.
that is Zoom, some internal problems are going on, so it is not working properly for few days. Continuous evaluation system, I also was a part while I have completed my masters. It's very good. Okay, because why I'm saying, suppose I told you that I had lab exams, not lab for 100 marks. Okay, for 3 4 subjects. Now from 100 marks it was divided like 70 is on the day's exam and 30 was from the class internal. Now internal, how teachers were evaluated, suppose they are given us 15 problems and these 15 problems they are giving us a table like format, and that those page we need to print out and we need to carry it with every day's work we need to complete. We need to show it to the teacher evaluate it. Only 2 marks was there, and according to that teacher used to put the marks in front of me. Very easy, very clear, crystal clear evaluation system, so we are going to implement that. So don't think that even you need to revise your chapters very nicely, nothing else. We are also instructed like that we should give very easy questions to you, because every week exam means what, 5 days, what you are learning that we are need to see, right? So very easy. Suppose today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of integers, so from that 2 questions will come. Now numbers definitely I will not tell, but from where the questions will come you will get to know, means because those weeks whatever is completed, that is only the exam. So ভীষণ চাপ নিয়ে বা প্রেশার নিয়ে কিচ্ছু করতে হবে না, যেটা শিখেছিস সেটাকে ঠান্ডা মাথায় পরীক্ষা দিতে বসবি, দেখবি পরীক্ষাটা ইজিলি তোরা কমপ্লিট করতে পারছিস। ওকে, so much time every day I'm taking in your class to giving you GANs. So let's start the real work. Over here, addition, subtractions, those things we need to complete. Okay, today I have shared the full screen. I am not supposed to. Okay, so I am going to share it once again. Every day I'm forgetting. So take out your copy and books. Today we will solve from. I'm just turning off my
Can you
camera.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear everyone. I'm turning off my camera because while I'm writing my screens are very means near to me, so it looks very bad. So that's why I'm turning off my camera, nothing else. So
Okay, ma'am.
stage B, we will start
Ma'am, no,
from,
ma'am.
yes, go ahead please.
Teacher didn't on his camera without you.
But some schools are just mandate it to just turn on the teacher's camera. Okay, your school is very lenient to us also, I can say. Okay, whatever. So we should not just waste any more time, right? So I am starting to write with yellow is good. So from 2, I will not do. So from 3, I will do. Okay. So take your copy and sit. take your copy and sit. Today's CW and today's date is 9/7/21. Page is 34. Three all the sums I will explain. I will go this chapter very slowly because please keep your sides mute. These are actually not only the base. একটা ধর বাড়ি বানাতে গেলে ইট কাঠ পাথর বালি সিমেন্ট এগুলো দরকার হয়। ম্যাথস এর হচ্ছে ইন্টিজার্স হচ্ছে সেই রকম একটা চ্যাপ্টার। ধরে নে এটা সিমেন্টটা মানে যেটা একটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিনিস। উইদাউট দ্যাট ইউ কান্ট জাস্ট fix the bricks and you can make the wall, right? So integers is such kind of a chapter. So addition means, one thing I'm saying, whenever integers you are doing addition, suppose -24, you will put one bracket and you will write the sum like that. 37 আর 18 এ কিন্তু ব্র্যাকেট নেই, কিন্তু আমরা যেহেতু এটা ইন্টিজার্স করছি বা এতে প্লাস সাইন নেই, কিছু সাইন নেই মানে অ্যাডিশন সাইন, so we will write the sums like that. Why we will write that, I will explain it on the next sum. Definitely I will come. Now first we will evaluate only this part. Okay, understand and write. Okay, a little fast I will go today. So while I will evaluate, I told you that consider these two numbers numerical value. Now 37 is having greater value and the sign is plus, so by blindly I can put plus. So one more evaluation is there, so I am just putting the bracket, that's why. Now from 37 what I will do, 24, we will just do the subtraction. So here you just draw one graph also on the right hand side of your copy and write it like graph. Make your habit very strong from your childhood. So plus 13, now it's very easy, plus 18, this is nothing else, a simple addition. So by mouth or by mentally we can just do. So 21, that means here it is sorry 11 1 and this is 31, right? Is this example is clear? Going to question number 2, very easy sum, plus 15 plus 11. When two the sums are plus signs will be plus and the
Ma'am, in this answer, ma'am, we have to write before one plus of that digit.
Obviously you need to write, obviously, so that you can
We can write only 31.
no, for your betterment you should write the every sign of the every number, so that you will not
Okay, ma'am.
do any kind of mistakes. Okay, next going to question number, sorry, this is 3a. Okay, I'm just marking it wrong, a b and this is c.
1 2.
Okay,
I'm
no
not
problem,
giving you.
no problem, we are just focusing, we should focus it on the maths. Now plus 9 here,
Not
so plus
Ma'am,
is,
can you hear me?
yes.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes, I am not. Now you are. Now is it clear? Hello.
Ma'am, but ma'am, we can hear you properly.
Yes, ma'am, we can
And
hear
sometimes
you.
Zoom problem is
in our
happening
earphone.
with me also.
It is maybe Zoom's problem, not us.
Yes.
No,
Yes,
I'm not
ma'am.
facing that.
Okay,
It is clear.
just wait for a while. Let me check the audio setting. Just wait for a
Ma'am,
while.
your audio setting is it is good.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
your
okay.
audio, I think he has some problem. She has some problem.
She has some problems.
Yes. Ma'am, it is good. Don't
Ma'am,
change
test
it.
your mind.
No problem. It's okay. So now
Yes,
here plus 9 minus 6, plus 9 is greater means numerical value, while are considering 9 is bigger than 6. So 9 sign we will put, and from 9
Ma'am, plus,
we will
ma'am,
just
plus
know
3 will be the answer.
plus 3 will be the answer. So the answer
Yes, I
is 3.
understand it.
Now you are understanding why
Your
I
plus
just
3, both the same.
these are my
Yes,
rules.
ma'am.
Okay, no book is providing you those rules. But this is easy, 110% time it will work absolutely right.
Ma'am, I am doing like that that plus minus minus plus plus
No.
plus minus minus.
No. That is not working every time. For multiplication and division, it's okay, but for addition, my rules is okay. Now 5 and
Okay.
11 consider. 11
Can
is
you specify?
having 11 is having greater numerical value, so 11 sign we will put. So from 11 we will subtract 5. How much it is coming? 6. So the answer is minus 6. E is 40 plus 40 plus of minus 140 plus of plus 100. This is your sum. So first we will evaluate this part. Minus 140 means 140 is greater numerical value. So minus sign we will put. So from 140 we will just subtract 40. How much it will coming? Minus 100. Now minus 100 and plus of plus 100. Both the numerical value are equal and both are having opposite signs. So the answer will come as 0. And while you are writing 0, don't put any kind of sign, because 0 does not have any kind of sign. 0 is a very unique integer, I can say. Because 0 যে characteristics গুলো দেখায় অন্য নাম্বার কোনো নাম্বারই দেখায় না। So he or she, I don't know, I think she, মেয়েরাই ইউনিক হয়, ছেলেরা মোটামুটি একই হয়। So 0 is very unique mathematical digits in the maths. Okay, so complete up to this. If I will complete. Okay, complete it. I'm giving you one.
My complete.
Okay, no need
I'm
to.
completed.
My complete.
Yes,
Ma'am, actually we write
No.
with you.
Okay.
No complete. I'm same.
Okay, no need to ask. Tell. So
I have completed.
আমি জানি।
I am
Ma'am, I am not done.
Okay, so okay.
Ma'am, what happened with the blackboard?
Okay, so I'm just removing everything from my screen. Okay, wait,
I will post it in the school.
obviously. If I am just doing, if sum is here, you can see minus 77 plus of minus 22 plus of plus 10. Okay, this is your sum. So first we will evaluate this part. Again, I will draw one rough. Again, I will draw one rough line. Okay. So here I am also writing rough. So when both the sign are minus, what was the rule? We will put minus, and ultimately 77 and 22, both the numbers will be added. For the numerical we will add, and for the sign we will just blindly put minus. Okay, plus of plus 10. Now here which is having the greater numerical value? Definitely 99 is having greater numerical value. So with the sign
minus 109.
no, why minus here? It is what? Plus. When the signs are opposite, what is the procedure? Bigger number sign I will put, and actually from 99 we will subtract 10.
Ma'am, Prajakta just called me. She told that there is no electricity in our house and she can't join.
Okay, so class will not be so postponed. So she need to see the recording. I will
Yes,
post
ma'am, I
it.
told her.
Okay, so this is I hope that this sum you all understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, if you understood, so we are going to 4 sums. Okay, four sums are also same. A little fast I am going for this chapter. I need to complete it. Okay, so minus 10,000 and plus 9,999. Now which is having greater numerical value? Obviously this. So this sign will be there. And from 10,000, if I'm just subtracting it, it will be 1. This is your answer.
1 minus 1 will be the answer.
Minus 1. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For the next
And this
sum,
sum is too easy.
these sums are becoming too easy, but you need to evaluate the correct sign. Otherwise,
Yeah.
All is wrong.
now here 400 is having greater numerical value, so 400 signs will be, we will put first,
Positive.
right? Now here from 400, 333, what we will do? Subtract.
Subtract.
Subtract 400.
So it will be plus 67. So C sum I'm doing. C sum is also very easy. I am not explaining. I hope that you will all understand it.
Ma'am, should I do my own?
Yes, yes, you do by your own. I'm also doing by my own. If I don't have to say the sums, I can do it more faster.
And if you write faster, we have to also do faster.
Okay, so I told you why you should put bracket. Now here you can see, here two signs are opposite. Okay, now if you are not going to put bracket, it will looks like I'm writing in the rough. It will looks like you are actually doing addition, plus minus 3616. So this
Ma'am, we
type
have
of,
to
we should
bracket
avoid,
to
wait,
confusing.
listen to me. We should avoid these type of scenarios. That is why we should put brackets. Okay, so here I am just doing the rough. Here it will be added graph, so that is why it is very dirty. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Where?
Ma'am, in number B.
Yes, where is the doubt?
Ma'am, can you tell that at the first number B?
Yes, where number B, first you see, yesterday was present in the class. I didn't put the attendance. Today I will update all the attendance. Yesterday you were present in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the rule? When two signs are opposite, মানে একটা integer positive আর একটা integer negative হবে, তাহলে তখন আমরা কোন, আমি গ্রিন দিয়ে মার্ক করছি, কোনটা সাইন কনসিডার করব? যেটা বিগার হয় সেইটার সাইন, বিগার যেটা নিউমেরিক্যাল। এবার তুই শুধু, আমি তোকে দুটো নাম্বার দিলাম, 333 আর 400, এর মধ্যে কোনটা বিগার নিউমেরিক্যাল ভ্যালু? অবভিয়াসলি 400, তাই তো? তো
Yes, ma'am.
400 এর যখন বিগার নিউমেরিক্যাল ভ্যালু, 400 এর সাইন কোনটা? 400 এর সাইনটা হচ্ছে তোর প্লাস, প্লাসটা আমি বসিয়ে দিলাম। তারপর আমি নরমালি কি করছি না, 400 থেকে 333 সাবট্রাকশন করে দিচ্ছি। সেম ভাবে
Okay,
তুই
ma'am.
সি এর অঙ্কটা দেখ, সি এরটা কি আছে? গ্রেটার নিউমেরিক্যাল ভ্যালু কার আছে? 460। দুটো সংখ্যা দিলাম, 400 আর 460। নিউমেরিক্যাল ভ্যালু কার গ্রেটার? 460 গ্রেটার, তাই তো? So we are putting the sign of 460. What is the sign? Minus. মাইনাসটা আগে বসিয়ে দিলাম, তারপর 460 থেকে 400 মাইনাস সাবট্রাকশন করে নিলাম। আমি যে প্রসিডিওরটা বলছি, এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ফার্স্ট উই আর কনসিডারিং দ্য সাইন, সেকেন্ড উই আর কনসিডারিং দ্য নিউমেরিক্যাল ভ্যালু। নাও ইউ আন্ডারস্টুড
Yes, ma'am.
clearly? Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So Tanvir, you just tell me exactly what will be the answer of f sum. F এটা এক্ষুনি সলভ কর, নিজে নিজে করে আমাকে বল কত আনসার হবে।
Okay.
হলো সলভ?
Ma'am, F.
f, হ্যাঁ, আগে বল কোনটা বড় সংখ্যা?
Ma'am, 262.
262 তাহলে 260 কাছে কোনো সাইন নেই মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি সাইন আছে প্লাস আছে কোন সাইনটা বসবে
Yes, ma'am.
তাহলে
Now 474 will be the answer.
দেখ, তুই চুপ কর কত 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 বসবে কোন সাইনটা
Ma'am,
বসবে প্লাস
ma'am,
সাইনটা
plus বসবে।
Ma'am, plus.
আর 262 থেকে 212 কি হবে মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে সিম্পল সাবট্রাকশন করে আনসারটা বসবে নাও ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার
Yes, ma'am.
যাই অঙ্ক দিক না কেন পারবি আমি তো
Ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am. We have to again subtraction.
এগেন সাবট্রাক্ট ইট যখন দুটোই মাইনাস থাকবে যেমন ধর এইখানটায় দুটোই মাইনাস আছে তখন হচ্ছে মাইনাসের সাইনটা বসবে তখন শুধু অ্যাডিশন হবে আমি যে
Ma'am, তাহলে ম্যাম প্রথমে 262 এর সাথে
আমি
200
গুলো
ওটাকে যোগ করবো?
রুলস গুলো লিখেছি রুলস গুলোর সাথে ট্যালি করবি রুলস গুলো একটা সাদা কাগজে লিখে রাখবি লিখে ডান দিকে রাখবি রেখে খাতার তারপর বাকি কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো সলভ করতে বসবি ঠিক আছে
Hello, ma'am.
Now you understood I'm clearing my screen
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, then what will be the answer? That
yeah, I'm just telling you if sum I'm doing if sum is what 262 plus 262 with that we are going to add minus 212 right now which is having greater numerical value obviously 262 is having greater numerical value so we are putting the sign of plus now from 262 what I will do from 212 we will simply subtract for the answer only so it will be plus 50 now is it clear Shahabad
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
yes
Ma'am, number E.
yes number E I'm showing you number E for this type of sum two number you will consider and you will add
Ma'am, we have to only take the first two or any two.
plus 2 any two also you can take but I am suggesting you to take the first two so minus 426 is having greater numerical value so minus sign will be there and 426 from 426 we are just subtracting 400 so it's very easy that it will be 26 now to minus 26 plus 400 plus 419 okay so which is having greater numerical value 419 so the answer
419.
will be plus so from 419 next my 26 we are subtract we are going to subtract so the answer will be 300 plus 393
Ma'am, 393.
Ma'am,
Yes,
393.
plus 393 now doing the G sum is given what plus 306 plus of minus 7,000 okay plus of minus 7,000 this sum suppose I am giving you now which is having greater numerical value Shahbaz
Ma'am, 7,000.
okay Shahbaz unmute yourself Shahbaz unmute এখন আর unmute left I think power cut so whatever so minus sign will be there now from 7,000 what I will for the numerical value what I
minus.
will- yes minus করব আশা করি এবার অনেকটা ক্লিয়ার হচ্ছে তোদের।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's too clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, this chapter is only easy.
The chapter is easy but the chapter is very trickier ট্রিক্স গুলো যদি না জানিস এটা হচ্ছে সবথেকে ইজিয়েস্ট ট্রিক্স অনেক স্টুডেন্টকে আমি পড়িয়ে বুঝেছি যে এটাই হচ্ছে সবথেকে ইজিয়েস্ট ট্রিক্স টু মেক দেম আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দিস নিউমেরিক্যাল কনসেপ্ট আদারওয়াইজ
Ma'am,
হ্যাঁ বল বলো
ma'am, your teaching style is very good.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, once you teach anything, we have the concept very clearly.
Yes.
I didn't hear what you said first. You're teaching.
Ma'am, your
I'm
teaching
teaching
style.
quality. Time.
Yes.
Ma'am, you've done a mistake. Ma'am, there is 322.
There is
322 in number 8.
that is
Yes, ma'am, row 322.
that is two only.
I
Okay.
think
Yes, ma'am.
that's an I think.
Teaching bad. Are I'm writing on my laptop screen, so it is not perfect as the book. This is 322. So first I will
Ma'am, you were writing with pen.
yes, writing with pen.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever pen in the video you are seeing on my hand, this is my computer compatible pen, nothing else. So
Ma'am, remaining time.
yes, remaining time is there. 5 minutes more I will take, then I will take that. So if this chapter will be entirely completed within that time.
Yes, ma'am.
So minus while I was I am seeing it. So first I will solve this. So what will be when two the integers are negative, we will just put the minus sign and we will just we will add those things. Okay, 3 and 9 and plus of plus 192. I have just stayed. I'm just okay. Just let me off the recording. Let me. So I'm clearing my screen. Going to the next sum. That is I. I sum is what? Minus 51 plus of plus
Plus
203
203
plus 38.
plus 38 plus minus 48.
So you can solve the sum by rearranging also. I am just rearranging a little bit so that it will be a little easier for us. Okay. Plus sign, you don't have to do it. This is not a mandatory step. So here first I will solve these two and these two together in one step. Okay. Now in this case, both the signs are having minus, so I will put minus. It is 9
Minus.
and 9. Now in this case here it is plus. So plus, it is plus 11, 4. Now here this is having a greater sign, so answer will be definitely plus. So from 341 we will subtract 99, so the answer will be coming plus 242. Okay. Now going to the 5 1 5 1 2. I'm not writing the answers. I'm not copying the question. Both the integers are having minus, so minus 12 will be the answer.
Ma'am,
Five.
I think
Sorry. A and B. B is 9 is having greater sign, so plus 5. C is we will put both the signs are negative, minus 218. E we will put like that, minus both the signs
Ma'am,
are
can you
minus.
hear me?
Yes, I know that you were out from the class. For the electricity, I will post everything in the chat, in the study material as well as in the YouTube. Just check it. Okay. 3 of the signs are negative, so here the steps are minus 17 plus of minus 10. Okay, take a screenshot and slowly you just solve it. Minus 27. A piece. I'm just showing the steps. I'm not copying the sums.
Ma'am, time is 1:13.
No problem. Your class, next class will also start a little late. I know.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am starts.
So we also need some break, right? So that is why. Okay, up to this. So I think the next two sums are very easy. You can solve it. This chapter is done, I guess. So Let me just check.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, there are more.
No, ma'am, there is no.
Okay. Successor predecessor concept I just cleared, but if it is not done, I will not give it in the exam. Up to addition subtraction only I will give. Okay. So you complete it. Meanwhile, I need to take your attendance. Okay.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
hear
last
me?
two.
Last two you
Hello,
submit.
ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear everyone.
I can't
Okay,
hear
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
That is your Prajakta, your network is very poor, I think so. That is why you can't hear me properly. But my internet is going at 8 MB per second. So I don't think that from my end it is the problem is happening.
Yes.
Ma'am, complete.
Complete this entire chapter, means up to this page everything is complete. So question will come up to this page only. I am just stopping the recording.